Let's learn ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, Z. Hey friends, let's learn ABCs. A is for apple, it sounds B is for ball, it sounds b. C is for cat, it sounds k. D is for dog, it sounds d. E is for elephant, it sounds eh. F is for fish, it sounds f. G is for goat, it sounds g. H is for hippo, it sounds I is for igloo, it sounds I. J is for jelly, it sounds j. K is for kite, it sounds k. L is for lion, it sounds O. M is for monkey, it sounds N is for nest, it sounds N. O is for octopus, it sounds P is for pig, it sounds P. Q is for quail, it sounds qu. R is for rabbit, it sounds S is for sun, it sounds s. T is for tiger, it sounds t. U is for umbrella, it sounds V is for violin, it sounds v. W is for water, it sounds w. X is for box, it sounds x. Y is for yak, it sounds y. Z